Hello, good morning everyone. Today we will share knowledge about the NPHR or net plant heat rate turbine blade modification. The introduction: to develop the coal-fired plant across the country including Java and outside Java and Bali. One of these projects is this power plant designed to operate on PHR 3068 kilocalorie per kilowatt hours, achieved only with the coal above 4200 kilocalorie per kilogram. However, such the high quality coals are rarely availability. The most coal in market range is from the 3600 to 4200 kilocalorie per kilogram. Make it difficult to meet the plant design target. This affect key performance indicators such as heat rate, boiler efficiency, and turbine efficiency. Using the high coal is not feasible due to the cost and supply limitation. Therefore, to meet the requirement NPHR using the local available coal, technical adjustment and turbine blade modification are necessary. Schematic diagram of the coal power plant. This I guess you understand this one, so I will not explain. Engineering study summary: achieve NPHR target with the low-grade coal. Aspect and summary. Problem statement: they designed to operate NPHR of 3068 kilocalorie per kilowatt hour using the coal above 4200 kilocalorie per kilogram. However, the local coal supply only ranges from the 3600 until 4200 kilocalorie per kilogram, making it difficult to meet the design efficiency. Issue description: the local produce lower steam energy, which reduce the turbine efficiency and increase heat rate. The existing turbine blade configuration is not optimized for the this fuel type. Root cause analysis: engineering analysis identification that the turbine blade profile stack count were designed for high energy steam. With low grade coal, steam flow overcome unstable, cause pressure loss and reducing energy conversion. Initial mitigation action: boiler turning and combustible optimizing, reduce of auxiliary power by 45.25 kilowatt, fuel blending consideration reject due to the cost of supply issue. This action helping but not insufficient to meet the NPHR target. Engineering proposal: modification the turbine blade geometry and increase blade count to improve the steam capture and flow and stability. Adopt a combined impulse reaction blade design to enhance energy extraction. Improvement outcome: blade count increase from the 19 to 36 unit. Blade shaft designed to reduce pressure loss. NPHR improved 3009 kilocalorie per kilowatt hours using coal within 3600 until 4200 kilocalorie per kilogram. Performance validated through the test on November 2021. Why this solution was caused? Technically feasible direct address root cause, lower cost and faster implement comprehensive system-wide upgrade, complete in 1 month. Engineering team had prior experience the similar blade issue, reduce the risk. Reference calculation performance formula. Formula name, description, equation, and variable deviation. This is the main formula used to analysis of this improvement. So I will not tell very detailed about this one, but I just will tell on the summary. Velocity triangle analysis to analyze steam flow to the turbine blade. Our turbine equation, calculation energy extraction per state. Efficiency or reaction states, define degree of reaction in the turbine states. Heat rate calculation, evaluation net plant heat rate or NPHR. Blade height and flow area, ensure the sufficient steam flow through the blade. The result. Figure number 1, original scheme on the left, and modification scheme on the right of the turbine blade. So the discussion. The blade design and state increase improve steam dynamic, adjust, enable reliable operation with the local code. Based on the results of Renova EL, the turbine blade profile was modified to improve steam flow and overall efficiency. The number of blades was increased and the blade shaft reducing using the combined impulse and reaction approach. The new blade feature an straggly bladed body and pointed tip. This enhanced steam dynamic compared to the original design. This design strategy aligned with the standard turbine engineering principle, whereas impulse blade utilize kinetic energy of the steam jet. Reaction blade enhance pressure difference across the both and MIPS blade. The combination of these two mechanisms allow for more efficiency energy transfer and reduce pressure loss. Comparison of the original versus modified turbine blade design. Original blade. Pronounced curves near the base. Dense contour line. Identification at the base. Cover mode. Pronounced near the base with the cause turbulent steam flow. Contour line define pucker at the bottom, inducting sub-synchrotonic transition. Identification A visible not near to the base on the call disrupt steam flow and reduce efficiency. Modification blade. Smooth, uniform curvature. Even contour distribution, pointed tip and better flow. Shaft smooth, more uniform. Capture based on the tip. Promotion steam flow. Contour line. Infinitely space. Suggested improve aerodynamic consistency. Tip design pointed. Enhance steam direction and reduce pressure loss. The result? To achieve optimal result, the turbine structure was enhanced by increase the number of blades from 19 to 36. This one and this one. The actual is on the left, the schematic on the right. Result involve observation and simulation based literature review and identify optimal design solution for the blade modification. Engineering principle, impulse reaction principle, impulse convert kinetic energy from the steam jet, reaction utilize pressure difference across the blade, combined design improve efficiency and reduce pressure loss, impulse component convert kinetic energy from the high velocity steam jet, reaction combine utilize pressure difference across the blade surface. Combined design enhance energy transfer and reduce the loss, especially with the low quality coal. Auxiliary power consumption before and after modification. This column is prior kilowatt and after kilowatt. So you can see some item is reduced, some item is increased. But in the total auxiliary power, the prior is 6,800 kilowatt and after is 6,754.75 kilowatt. So auxiliary consumption was reduced by 45.34 kilowatt after turbine blade modification. This reduced contribution to achieve the NPHR to target 3,900 kilocalorie per kilowatt using the low grade coal, 3,600, 4,200 kilocalorie per kilogram. So in the beginning, we already said, so this auxiliary power consumption improvement is not my cost NPHR improvement. So that's why we need to do turbine blade modification and increase the quantity of the turbine blade. Result: power plant performance result after modification. So the parameter unit MCRI1, MCR2, TMCR, total maximum continuous running, VWO, full open valve, and 50% MCR. Maximum continuous running. If you see on the NPHR on the bottom column, kilocalorie per kilowatt hours, the MCR1, maximum continuously running one, is 2,937, and MCR2 is 2,936, and the MCR 2,168, and VWO is 2,141. But 50% MCR, maximum continuous running, because of only 50%, so NPHR of course cannot meet the specification requirement. But if we see this MCR1, MCR2, MCR, TMCR, and VWO is mean are the more than power plant capacity running, then NPHR, so that is good, 2,141. Result: turbine blade was designed to reduce pressure loss caused by unstable steam flow. The new conical blade shaft improved the steel direction and flow stability, which increased the turbine efficiency. To enhance performance further, the number of the turbine blades was increased from 19 to 36. This modification improved steam energy capture to reduce loss, raising the reaction state efficiency from 1.3 to 1.8% to 1.75 to 2.2%. From the number, the increment is not so high, but actual the plant, the improvement is very good. Technical term definition. NPHR, net plant heat rate. Definition: how much fuel or power plant used to produce electricity. Lower number means better efficiency. So this one I make it the strong word. Lower NPHR means better efficiency. Impulse valve, blade. A blade pushed by the first moving steam like pinwheel. Reaction blade. A blade that gets energy from the steam pressure like a sail. Combiner impulse and reaction blade use both steam speed and pressure to improve turbine performance. Velocity triangle analysis, a way to understand how the steam moves through the turbine blade. Euler turbine equation, a formula that means energy with the turbine get the steam. Degree of reaction, so how much the steam energy is used in the moving the part of the turbine. Blade height and flow area help to ensure the steam flows smoothly through the blade. Auxiliary power consumption, electricity used to support the system like the fans and pump and other, including the BOP, balance of plant. MCR, TMCR, VWO. MCR is maximum plant output. TMCR maximum turbine output. VW is output with the full open valve as by my expression on the previous slide. Conclusion. The study focused to solving the challenge of achieving the power plant net plant heat rate target of the 3068 kilocalorie per kilowatt hours, depend the local coal supply being the limited 3600 until 4200 kilocalorie per kilogram. To the engineering analysis, the root cause was identified. The existing turbine blade design was not suitable for the low efficiency turbine produced by low-grade coal. Initial mitigation effort, such as the voltaic auxiliary power reading and fuel blending, was tested but did not meet the performance target. The engineering team proposed the turbine blade modification, which they include reducing the blade profile, reduce the pressure loss, increase the blade count from the 19 until 36 to improve the steam capture, apply the combined improved reaction design for better energy conversion. The solution was selected because it was technical effective, cost efficient, further to improve combined in 1 month. Because, as you know, this power plant have to meet with the target, otherwise delay will have a penalty claim. Supposed by prior experience with the similar turbine issue, the performance test confirmed that the modification turbine achieved an improved NPHR of 3009 kilocalorie per kilowatt hours, allowing the plant's operating reliability with the local available coal. So this is the end of the presentation, and thank you very much.